Thunderbird can be configured to connect with your existing cPanel email account that you created using your domain name. This video will highlight how this can be done. To begin, let's assume that you've already created your email within your hosting account and installed Thunderbird on your PC. Next, open Mozilla Thunderbird. You will be prompted to log in using your credentials. If your login was unsuccessful, you will need to change the server to establish a connection. This can be done by selecting the manually configure option. Within here, you can change the server, port, encryption type, and authentication method used. You need to ensure that these settings match the settings included within your cPanel. To find the server and port, you must first log in to your web hosting account. Within the client dashboard, click the option called Services. Select the service that you wish to apply updates to. Within Shortcuts, select the option called Email Accounts. This will take you to the page where you can manage all active email accounts. On the email address that you wish to configure, select the option Check Email to load your inbox. Within your inbox, there should be an email created by cPanel which includes the server configuration settings. Alternatively, you can select the option Connect Devices. Scroll down to the bottom of this page for the manual configuration settings. Copy and paste the server and port for incoming and outgoing mail from cPanel into Thunderbird. Once done, select the option Login. You should then be logged in to your account successfully. Thank you for watching. For more useful tutorials, check out our other videos on our YouTube channel.